Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about Kafka CLI command. Now there are different shell script like Kafka console producer, Kafka console consumer, Kafka topic, Kafka consumer group. So these are related to different functionality. Let's say if I have something related to Kafka topic, example I wanted to create the topic, maybe describe the topic, delete it, then I will use this particular shell script. If it is related to consumer group, I will use this one. If I wanted to start a console producer, I will start this one. If I wanted to use console consumer, then I will use this one. Now the second part of that command will be bootstrap servo. So for me, I'm going to use localhost, and if you have Kafka installed in any server, then you have to give that server address with the port. Now let's see one example of create topic, one sample command here. So we are using Kafka topic sh, this shell script, and second is bootstrap servo. These two parts what we discussed right now. Then we want to create a topic, so topic and topic name. So topic name is test underscore topic. What we want to do, we want to create. Then replication factor I have given as 1, partition as 1. So it will create this test topic. Once we create this, we can describe and see the property of that topic. So again, first line, second line, third line is same. Only instead of create, we are using describe here. So this will describe this test topic. Next is, once we have created a topic, now I wanted to change the partitions. Let's say initially when I created, partition was 1. Now I wanted to change it to 2. So for that, I need to alter it. So with alter command, we are using the topic name and the new partition value. So this will change and it will add 2 partition to this topic. Next, to delete the topic. So for that we need to pass topic name and delete command. Next, if you want to see all the topics, then here using list we can see all the topics. Now producer, see this, now in order to interact with the Kafka producer, we are using Kafka console producer, this script, and this is the bootstrap server and the topic name, which topic you wanted to post the message. So that information are passing here. If you want key value related information, that also you have to mention here. We'll see one example. Next is, if you want to start a consumer and we want to start from beginning. So here this is using this consumer console consumer script, bootstrap server, topic name, and I'm saying like start from beginning. If I don't want to start from beginning, then we can skip this part. Next, if I wanted to list all the consumer group, so for that I'm using Kafka consumer group, and here I wanted to list it. Next, so this is consumer along with group ID. So you remember, we can if we have multiple systems which is consuming this message, then each of them should use different consumer group so that they will get the same message. We have discussed about this in the theory part. So here we just have to pass this group and the group ID. Rest this part is same as the normal consumer, only we have to pass this group information. Next, if I want to produce the message with the key and value, I mean you wanted to pass the key also along with the message value. So for that you have to pass the properties, that the separator, it will be like colon. So whatever you give before colon, that will be key, and after colon it will be message or value. We'll see one example. And message format, it will look like this: key 1, value 1. So key 1 is the key, value 1 is the message. Now let's see example of Kafka topic. So in right side I have different commands that I'm going to execute in the left side. So let's create one topic. Topic name will be test topic _1, and we'll create it with replication factor of 1 and partition 1. Let's enter. And this has created this test topic 1. Now let's see, we wanted to describe and check properties of this particular topic. So let's copy this command, paste it here and enter. Now you can see we are getting the information, topic name, partition count, application factor, all this information we can see here. Next, we can list all the topic. So let's enter. I had one topic, test topic, and right now I created test topic _1. If I want to delete, then I can use that command. Now I'm looking for alter command. Yeah, so it's here. Let me copy. And I want to change the partition from 1 to 2. When we created, partition was 1. Now we are altering it and changing partition to 2. Once we changed it, we can describe and see whether partition is 2 or not. So here you can see there are 2 partitions. So let's start one Kafka producer and consumer. So in left side I'm going to start Kafka producer. So you can see I'm using this producer shell script with broker as local host, and the topic name is test _ topic. Let's enter it here. Now let's start consumer in right side. So again this side it's a consumer shell script. Now if I'll type one message hi, you can see I'm getting it in the consumer. So again one more message hello, that also we can see in the consumer. One more message everyone, and that also we can see in the consumer part. Now let's start one producer with key and value and consumer with consumer ID. So in left side we are going to start producer, and we are saying parse key is true, and property we have given separator as a colon. So that is okay. Now in the right side, first consumer we are going to create, and group ID, if you see, both of these will have the same group ID, but there are 2 consumer with same group ID. So if I will send one message with key as 1, that is received by top consumer, and message with key 2, that is received by below consumer. So any message I will send with the key 1, it should go to the top. So right now I'm sending with hello, you can see it's going to the top one. Again I will send one more message with key as 1, it will again go to the top one. So point is like, if key is same, it should go to the same consumer. 2 with the key as 2, it's going to the bottom consumer. Again one more message with key 2, it's going to the bottom. So thanks.